So Miss Mama's got a date today, and I can't be going on my date looking like this. So come along with me, babies, to Slay Town so we can get it poppin'. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your Ericka Couture, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I installed this 30-inch frontal unit from ULA Hair. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. This is like my second or third install with this hair. In today's video I'll be using all I Am Ericka J products. Y'all, I love these products. I love her. Like, I'm just so excited to be doing this video, so let's just get right into it. So first things first, using the I Am Ericka J Hold Me Down Adhesive Skin Guard, I'm going to take that onto my cotton round, and I'm going to just prep my skin for my frontal. This is something that I learned from her channel, and it is so important. It made all the difference in my installs. It really does its job in taking all of the oils and stuff out of your skin, so I would definitely recommend that product. So now I'm going to use my Got to Be Glued, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my edges just to slick my edges back to make sure that nothing is coming forward and going into my wig cap when I create my ball cap, because I have a small forehead, so I really try to lay my frontal directly in front of my hairline. So yeah, I just want to make sure that no hairs get into my ball cap. So now I'm just putting on my stocking cap, and I'm going to use that skin guard again just to go over my cap, to take the oils out of the cap, or to take any oils off my hairline that might have been created from the Got to Be Glued. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here on a cotton pad. I'm just applying that all over my hairline to remove those oils once again. And now I am cutting out my ears. My cap was like a little thicker than the ones that I usually use, so I pulled it down kind of far just to thin the cap out as much as I could, if that makes sense. So now I'm taking my Got to Be spray, and I'm applying that all over my hairline. Guys, you don't really need that much spray. You pretty much want to just spray it on your hairline and use your finger to smoothen it out. This will also help it to dry faster. So yeah, I would just, pop a, bit of spray on there, and then use your finger and just rub it into the areas that you need so that it will dry quicker. And make sure you get behind your ears. So now I'm taking my blow dryer, and I'm just going to blow dry my stocking cap until that first layer is dry, and then I'm going to go in and do the same exact thing with the Got to Be spray again. So yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Check out my other videos. I'm trying to be more consistent. Well, I really was being consistent at one point, but I kind of like fell off a little bit in the month of August. But baby, I'm back, and I'm about to be uploading some vlogs, some more hair tutorials, a bunch of stuff I have planned for you guys. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Couture, and yeah, join the family, and leave some comments below. Let's chat, let's get to know one another, and let's just have a good time on this channel. So now I'm just taking my scissors, and I'm going to cut up to the starting line of that dried up spray. And now I'm going to take my razor comb, and this is how I create my hairline for my ball cap. A lot of people don't do it this precise, but me, like I said, I have a small forehead. I don't have much room to like play with a hairline, okay? So I get it as close to my hairline as I possibly can, and I lay my frontal directly in front of my hairline. Like, you guys will see, even where I place my glue is literally like not even a centimeter from my wig cap, from where my wig cap ends, because otherwise, like, my eyebrows would be touching my hairline, and my hair would just be like so far down. So yeah, I do get very precise with where I place my ball cap. For you guys who don't have those hairline problems, you don't need to do it as precise as I am, but that's just me. That's just what I do, because I want my hairline to start in a certain place. So now I'm taking that skin guard again, and putting that over my hairline, and I'm cutting the excess wigs from the back. So now I'm taking my Juvia's Place foundation. This is the foundation that I use for my balding caps. So now I'm just using my beauty blender and just dabbing that onto my skin and also onto the wig cap. So now I'm using my Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm going to put that all on the inside of my wig. It's not any particular thing with Juvia's Place as to why I'm using those products. It's just those are lighter foundations and lighter concealers that I had on hand because this wig has a darker lace. So now I'm taking that Skin Guard once again, and I'm just removing any of that makeup that might have gotten on my skin, because you don't want to have any oils or anything like that on your hairline. Well, not, you don't want to lay your lace on oils. Child, now I'm using the Ericka J Hold Me Down adhesive. When I tell you, I cannot wait for this to restock. I got the small one just to like try it out, but I cannot wait for this to restock, baby. I don't want to use no other glue. I went to Mexico, baby. When I tell you I was in the pool, I was sweating, I was doing all kinds of stuff in that Mexico heat, and my frontal did not budge. Okay, when I got home, I had to damn near fight to get my frontal off because I did not buy the remover, which next time I'm just buying the whole entire kit. I'm getting the big glue, and we're gonna go all out the next time, because now that I know, baby, I'm never going back. So sorry for that little ramble, but I'm applying that glue with my little it's just this little thing I had around the house. It's actually a letter to like a marquee thing, but it's flat and it really works for what I'm trying to do. So like, you could literally use anything. I've seen people use butter knives and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm using, and I'm just flattening that glue out, smoothing it, making a thick section of glue. This way, I think this is another reason why my frontals don't move, because I don't have that one thin little layer of glue. And I'm just bringing that down directly in front of my wig cap. It's not far down. It's literally like not even a centimeter past my wig cap. Like, it's literally seconds from my hairline, like, as you can see. So with this glue, I use 3 layers. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my second layer and do the same exact process. I'm bringing that glue down to the same exact spot. It's literally going to be the same exact thing I did the first time, same placement of glue and everything. So yeah, I'm doing that for my second layer, and then I'm going to repeat that and do my third layer. Oh, and of course you want to wait for each layer to get dry before you put on the next layer. So this is my third layer right here, and after this layer, I'm actually going to use my blow dryer. When I did the first and second layer, I wasn't using the blow dryer. It just dries that fast. But by the time I get to the third layer, you have an excess amount of glue now. So I'm going to use a blow dryer just to speed up that process, and then we're going to be applying our wig, honey. So this is where the fun begins, baby. I'm taking my frontal down. Even when I have like lace on my frontal, I always cut it first. I don't like laying my frontals with excess lace on it. I don't know, it's just me. But so as you can see, I'm placing that directly on that glue. If you have problems with placing your frontal down, make sure that you're putting the frontal in front of the glue at least. And that you're not putting it behind the glue, because cleaning that excess glue up, it's honestly darn near impossible. So yeah, make sure you're putting it like directly on the glue, or at least in front of the glue, because you can always add glue. It's better to have to add some glue around your perimeter versus having to clean glue. Okay, So make sure you know, you're getting that right. So now I'm taking my comb and my blow dryer, and I'm just blow drying that glue and setting this in place, just getting it nice and tight, nice and secure. So now I'm about to apply my elastic band, but before I do that, I'm gonna put my hair into a ponytail and start to hot comb so that I can see, you know, the hairline, see what it's giving, see what I'm working with. Right now I'm just brushing those baby hairs forward just so that I can set those once I put my elastic band on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to apply my elastic band. I'm going to let this sit for a couple minutes, and then I will be back. Alright, so now as you can see, everything is looking a little more set, and I'm just going in and cutting those longer pieces just to make those baby hairs exactly how I want them. And now I'm going in with my hot comb and just setting my hair for the style that I want. Words of advice would be, baby, don't even attempt a frontal if you don't have a hot comb. Like, if you don't have a hot comb, just don't even do it. But as you can see, you know, you can see how laid it's looking already. Now I'm using my Got To Be glue for my edges. I don't use mousse, guys. I'm not opposed to mousse, but I'm just not using it. So now I'm using that Got To Be glue, and I'm going to just brush my baby hairs and, you know, like my edges into the position where I want them, and I'm going to begin laying my baby hairs as well as smoothing that hair back to get that like sleek look behind my baby hairs. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here, just brushing things into place, putting a little bit of swirl on my edges as well as my baby hairs. I would recommend anybody who is having trouble with baby hairs, find a picture online of what you want your baby hairs to look like and mimic it. I heard Ericka say, well, not heard, but I saw him say that on social media, and it literally changed my baby hair game drastically. That's literally what I do. I look at a picture of you know, a celebrity or even just a regular girl on Instagram, and I'm like, damn, like, I love her baby hairs, and I lay my baby hairs exactly how I see it, or I mimic it the best that I can. A lot of people have problems with not knowing, you know, how they want to place their baby hairs or what they want them to look like. So that's what I do. I find a picture that I like and I just mimic it. So now that those baby hairs are done, I'm putting my hair back in a ponytail, and I'm going to use my elastic band once again. And when I lay the elastic band, I'm going to lay the second time I go around, I'm going to lay it a little bit further back to set my edges as well. I had to go ahead and get beat for y'all, okay? I was actually about to go out on a little dating date. So I went ahead and did my makeup, and now I'm just spraying my hair through with a spray bottle just to, you know, get those curls nice and juicy, nice and popping. And then I'm going to take off my elastic band. Bam, bow, 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 bow. So now I'm just taking my elastic band off, and baby, your girl's laid. Your girl is laid, baby. I have a line around my forehead because that's just, you know, the line from the elastic band. It was pretty tight. But yes, Miss Mamas, this is the final look. I hope you guys love it. You know, like I said, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And like, comment, subscribe, yada, yada, yada. You know, all the YouTube words. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and we're on the road to 100K. And until next time, guys, stay positive and be blessed.